Hi, this is King of Review. Solve the system of inequalities by graphing. 4x minus 5y is less than or equal to 5, and negative 8x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 2. We'll start by putting these in the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is equal to the slope and b is equal to the y-intercept. And the reason we put these in the slope-intercept form is because it's an easy way to graph a line. So for our first inequality, when I rearrange this into the slope-intercept form, I get y is greater than or equal to 4/5 x minus 1. And when I rearrange the second inequality into the slope-intercept form, I get y is greater than or equal to 4x plus 1. Now we're ready to graph. Here's the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's graph y is greater than or equal to 4/5 x minus 1. Our y-intercept is negative 1. That's right here. It crosses over the y at negative 1. And our slope is 4/5. This means up 4 and over 5. So the point is about here. And we see we have a greater than or equal to sign. This means that we'll use a solid line to plot. Here's our line. And now we need to determine which side of the line to shade. So to do this, I'll plug in a point. Let's use 0, 0. I'll plug this into our original inequality here. 4x minus 5y is less than or equal to 5. When I do this, I get 4 times 0 minus 5 times 0 is less than or equal to 5. And we're trying to determine if this is true. This gives us 0 is less than or equal to 5. Is this true? Yes, 0 is less than or equal to 5. So we know that the point 0, 0 is part of our solution. So we'll shade the side of the line that includes the point 0, 0. So I'll shade like this. Next, we can plot our second inequality, and I'll do this in red so that we can see the difference. So we have y is greater than or equal to 4x plus 1. So our y-intercept is at positive 1, which is right here. And our slope is 4. This means up 4 over 1. So our point is around here. It's about here. And we have a greater than or equal to sign, so I'll use a solid line to plot. Here's our line for our second inequality, and again I need to determine which side of the line to shade. So I'll plug in a point, I'll use the point 0, 0, and I'll plug this into this inequality. Negative 8x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 2. When I plug this point in, I get negative 8 times 0 plus 2 times 0 is greater than or equal to 2. This gives us 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Is this true? No, this is not true. 0 is not greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, I know that the point 0, 0 is not part of the solution. So I'll shade the side of the line that does not include the point 0, 0. So I'll shade like this. The area where the shaded regions of the two inequalities overlap is the solution. So letter D is correct. Thanks for watching.